Hi, friends. Today I am here with an informative video about Indian Railways. New application, RailOne. One app giving the features of IRCTC, UTS, and NTS, where you can get sign-on access via IRCTC or UTS credentials. Features are unified ticketing, reserved, unreserved, platform and monthly pass bookings, live train tracking, PNR status, coach position finder, R-Wallet payments using MPIN or biometric security, onboard food ordering, complaint resolution via RailOne, hassle-free refunds. All services consolidated in one app. Journey simplified. Thank you, and bye till we meet next time.